Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the topic elementary signals. Elementary signals. These elementary signals also called as a standard function. Standard functions. Standard functions. They are unit step function, unit impulse function, unit impulse function. Third one is unit ramp function. Fourth one is exponential function. Fifth one is complex exponential function. Sixth one is sinusoidal function. Element signals is also called the standard functions. They are unit step function, unit impulse function, unit ramp function, exponential function, complex exponential functions, sinusoidal function. Coming to the unit step function. In this, the amplitude of the function u of t equal to 1 for all positive values of t, for all positive, that is t greater than or equal to 0. Coming to the unit step function, it is denoted by u of t. The graphical representation of unit step function is the graphical representation of unit step function u of t, that is in continuous time signal 0, 1, 2, 3 is time small t. This is the unit step function u of t. By the definition of unit step function, u of t equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. All positive values 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity. The unit step function u of t amplitude equal to 1. That is u of t unit step function. This is a continuous time signal. For discrete time signal, in this sample small n, this is a unit function u of n. For discrete time signals 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1 or in discrete function u of n equal to 1 for all n greater than or equal to 0. So 2, 3, 4 u of n. This is a u of n unit step function for discrete values. Discrete time signal. It is represented in function also. U of t equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. For t greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise 0. This is a continuous time signal. For discrete time signal u of n equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0, otherwise equal to 0. The significance of unit step function is the significance of unit step function is diagram is like a DC supply. So it is generated DC supply. Coming to the unit impulse function. Unit impulse function. It is also called a delta function. It is denoted by delta of t in this continuous time signal. It is denoted by delta of n in discrete time signals. It is defined as delta of t equal to 0 for t not equal to 0, and delta of t equal to 1 for t equal to 0. The graphical representation of the impulse function is for continuous time signal 0, 1, 2, 3 t. This is a one value delta of t unit impulse function. This is also represented in discrete form 2, 3, 4 t. Samples n. This is a delta of n. This is a delta of n. This value is 1. In this, delta of t equal to 0 for t not equal 0. 0 in this place, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3 in this place, t not equal 0. Delta of t equal 0. Delta of t equal 1. When t equal to 0 value, the delta of t equal 1. This is a unit impulse function. In discrete form also, this is the graphical representation. This is also representing delta of t equal to 0 for t not equal to 0, 1 for t equal to 0. In discrete form, delta of n equal to 0 for n not equal to 0 is 1 for n equal to 0. The significance of unit impulse function is it produces response of the impulse response of the signal. Coming to the unit ramp function. Unit ramp function. It is denoted by R of t. Unit ramp function denoted by R of t. It is linearly growing or increasing function for positive values of t. The graphical representation of ramp function is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, small t, 1, 2, 3. This is the R of t, ramp function. The graphical representation of U. This is a linearly growing or increasing function, R of t. The function representation R of t equal to 1. R of t equal t when t greater than or equal to 0. All positive values R of t equal t. Otherwise 0. It is also represented in unit step function. It is also represented by unit in form of unit step function. R of t equal to u of t into t. For all positive values of u of t equal to 1. So R of t equal to t. Since t greater than or equal to 0, u of t equal to 1. U of t equal to significancy. It is indicate constant current in capacitor. Constant current charging in capacitor. Coming to the fourth one, exponential function. Exponential function. It is a exponentially growing or decaying signal. It is denoted by x of t equal to b into e power at. Here a comma b are real functions. X of t equal to b into e power at. The graphical representation of exponential function, it is growing or decaying. This is a growing function exponentially. In this place, a greater than or equal to 0. This is a exponentially growing or increasing function. So this is a exponentially decaying function. This is a delaying signal or decreasing function. Here a less than or equal to 0. Significancy, charging and discharging of a capacitor. Fifth one, coming to the complex exponential function or signal. Complex exponential function. It is purely imaginary. It is purely imaginary function. That is x1 of t we consider e power j omega naught t, x2 of t equal to e power minus j omega naught t. This is a purely imaginary function, complex exponential. x1 of t e power j omega naught t, x2 of t equal to e power minus j omega naught t. Significancy. It is used in Laplace transform techniques. Coming to the sixth one, sinusoidal signal. Sinusoidal function. it is representation of sinusoidal signal is sinusoidal function is x of t equal to cos of omega naught t plus phase angle phi, phase phi, or x of t equal to sin of omega naught of t plus phase phi. We know that cos theta equal to e power j theta plus e power minus j theta by 2 by trigonometric relation. Cos omega naught t equal to e power j omega naught t plus e power minus j omega naught t. Coming to the signum function. Signum function. Coming to the signum function, it is denoted by s gn of t. The representation of signum function is sgn of t equal to 1 for all positive values, and 1 for t greater than or equal to 0, 0 for t equal to 0, minus 1 for t less than 0. This is the signum function representation. The graphical representation of signum function is in this HCN of t 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. In this t greater than or equal to 0, this value is 1. In t equal to 0, this value is 0, and t less than or equal to this value equal minus 1. This is a signum function representation. Coming to the sinc function. The sinc function is defined by the SN sinc of t. This is sin t by t for minus infinity, less than t less than plus infinity. Infinity value of sinc function Sn nc of t equal to sin t by t. The graphical representation of sinc function is this is a graphical representation of sinc function 0, 5, 10, minus 5, minus 10. In this 0.1, 0.2, and so on. Sinc of t, graphical representation of sinc function. Coming to the Gaussian function. Another function is Gaussian function. The Gaussian function is defined as expression GA of t equal to e power minus a t square. Here minus infinity, t less than infinity. The diagram of or graphical representation of Gaussian function is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is a Gaussian function. This is all or elementary signals are standard functions. Next, thank you for listening this class. Please subscribe this and share the video. Next